In this video, we are going to see the case study 2. Let's see the transactions. Journalize the transactions given below in the books of Raj. The first transaction, Raj starts business with rupees 50,000. He opens a bank account and deposits rupees 20,000. In this particular transaction, the first entry has to be passed in receipt voucher, where credit will be capital account and debit will be cash. And later, the second entry has to be passed in contra voucher, where the debit will be bank account and credit will be cash account, where cash is going out and the amount is rupees 20,000. Let's see both the entries. Before that, we will create a new company for this particular case study too. Now we will create a new company. Create company, and the name will be case study 2. Mailing name also will be same. Okay, address, provide the address. Statutory compliance for the country India. And later here we will take accounts only, because we are recording only accounting transactions. Financial year 1st of April 2021. Later, accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. The company is created. Gateway of Tally. Directly we will go to the transactions. Accounting vouchers, because even master's ledger accounts can be created directly from the accounting voucher creation window. Just click on this one. Okay. Payment voucher is opened. Right now we have to open the receipt voucher. Receipt voucher, right hand side, the shortcut key is function key F6. Just click on this one. Right. What is credit here? Capital account, which has to be created. To create this one, press Alt C. Capital account. Alias will be blank, and this has to be allocated under the group capital account. Provide the mailing details, tax information, then save. What is the amount given? 50,000. Debit, cash, this is already provided by Tally. Just type C, down arrow key, select for cash, 50,000. Type the narration, later save. Next, the cash of rupees 20,000 will be deposited in the bank. For that sake, this has to be passed under the voucher, that will be contra voucher, and the function key is F4. What is credit? Cash. Amount is 20,000. Debit, bank account has to be created. To create this one, press Alt C. Alias blank. Bank accounts, just type B, down arrow key. Provide the mailing details, account number, address, state, PIN code, then save. 20,000. Type the narration, save. Now the second transaction, bought furniture for rupees 5,000, Machinery for rupees 10,000. This is in the form of cash. For that sake, this has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Okay. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. Select for payment voucher and the shortcut key is function key F5. Just click on this one. Payment voucher, voucher number 1, right? And here debit, we can combine also. We can take it separately also. We can take furniture and machinery account. We can combine the amount, that is 10,000 and 5,000. This will be 15,000. Or else we can create a separate account, that is furniture account 5,000, machinery account 10,000. Either we can combine or else we can show it separately also. Let's go for creating the ledger account, that is furniture account. To create this one, just press here Alt C. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group fixed asset. Save by pressing Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given? 5,000. Credit will come, just type D. Again we have to create here machinery account. Alt C to create. Alias blank, and this also will be allocated under the group fixed assets. Save. Amount is 10,000. Credit will be, it's in the form of cash. Down arrow key, cash 15,000. Type the narration, later save. To save this one or to accept this one, press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction, purchased goods for rupees 14,000. This particular transaction can be recorded either in payment voucher or purchase voucher. Let's see this particular recording. Payment voucher, debit. Debit will be purchase account. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group purchase accounts. Accept, press Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given here? 14,000. Credit will be cash, down arrow key, cash 14,000. Type the narration, later save. The next one, sold goods for rupees 8,000. This is in the form of cash. For that sake, this can be recorded either in receipt voucher or sales voucher. In this case, debit will be cash account and credit will be the sales account. Let's see this particular recording. Select for receipt voucher and the shortcut key is function key F6. Just click on this one. Then credit will be sales account, which has to be created. Alt C to create. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group sales account. Just type S, down arrow key, sales account. Accept Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given? 8,000. Debit, cash 8,000. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard to accept this one. The next transaction, purchased goods from Malhotra and Company, rupees 11,000. This is in the form of credit. For that sake, this has to be recorded only in purchase voucher. Okay, let's see this particular recording. Purchase voucher, just click on this one. Reference number can be provided here. Credit will be Malhotra and Company. This has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group Sundry Creditors. Provide the other details like mailing details, tax information. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given? 11,000. New reference will come only for purchase and sales voucher. Reference number is not provided, for that sake it is taking here the voucher number, that is 1. Due date or credit days can be provided here, whether it is 10 days, 15 days or 30 days, that can be given here. The amount. Debit will be purchase account, this is already created. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction, pay telephone rent for the year by check rupees 500. This particular recording has to be done in payment voucher. In this case, debit will be telephone rent account and credit will be the bank account. Let's see this particular recording. Payment voucher, and the shortcut key is function key F5. Just click on this one. Debit will be telephone rent account, which has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank. This has to be allocated under the group indirect expenses. Just type here I, down arrow key, later save. What's the amount given here? 500. The payment is done in the form of check. For that sake, bank will come. 500. Provide the check number. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction, bought one typewriter for rupees 2,100 from Universal Typewriter Company on credit basis. This is purchase of fixed asset on credit basis. This has to be recorded only in journal voucher. Okay, let's see this particular recording. Select for journal voucher. Then what is debit here? Typewriter account has to be created here. To create this one, just press here Alt C. Typewriter. Typewriter account. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group fixed assets. Save. What's the amount given here? 2100. Credit will be, we have to create this one. I'll see to create. Universal Typewriter Company alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group Sundry Creditors. Save by pressing Y from the keyboard. 2100 on account. Type the narration, later save this one. The next transaction, sold goods to Keshav Ram for rupees 12,000. This is in the form of credit. For that sake, it has to be recorded only in sales voucher. Sales voucher, and the shortcut key is function key F8. Just click on this one. I think so we can just see here, this is invoice mode is open. We have to convert this back to voucher mode. Bottom right hand side as voucher, or else we can use the shortcut key that will be Ctrl V. Just click on this one. Right. What will be debit here? Debit will be Keshav Ram, which has to be created. To create this one, just press here Alt C. Keshav Ram account alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group that will be Sundry Debtors. If we are not interested in filling other details, to save and put back, in that case Ctrl A. But whereas in case of real accounting, we are not supposed to do this one. We have to fill all the details. Right now, save and put back, Ctrl A. What's the amount given here? 12,000. New reference will come only for the vouchers, purchase and sales. Credit will be what? Here, sales account, which is already created. 12,000, type the narration, later save. The next transaction, sold goods to Rajesh Kumar for rupees 2,000. Cash is given. It's in the form of cash. For that sake, this can be recorded either in the receipt voucher or sales voucher. Okay, let's see this particular recording. Let's go back to receipt voucher, and the function key is F6. Just click on this one. What is credit here? In this case, the credit will be sales account. What's the amount given here? 2,000. Debit will be cash, 2,000. Type the narration, later save this one by pressing Y from the keyboard. Now the next transaction, amount withdrawn from bank for personal use rupees 1,500. This will be recorded under the payment voucher. Select for payment voucher, and the shortcut key is function key F5. Just click on this one. What is debit here? Drawings account has to be created. To create this one, press Alt C. Alias blank, and this will be allocated under the group that will be capital account. To save this one, press Y from the keyboard. What's the amount given here? 1,500. Credit, it's bank, 1,500. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction, received cash from Keshav Ram, rupees 11,900, and discount allowed rupees 100. This particular transaction has to be recorded under the voucher, that will be receipt voucher. Select for receipt voucher from the right hand side and the shortcut key is function key F6. Just click on this one. What is credit here? Keshav Ram, 12,000. Right. Against the reference, this will track the sales voucher. Debit, here we have to mention cash we are receiving 11,900. Again debit will come. Here we have to go for creating the account, that will be discount allowed account. To create this one, press Alt C. Alias will be blank and this will be allocated under the group, that will be indirect expenses. Later save. 100. Type the narration, later save this one. Next transaction, paid into bank rupees 5,800. This has to be recorded under the contra voucher. Whenever there is a transaction between cash and cash or bank or cash and bank or bank and cash, in that case we have to do the recording under the voucher, that will be contra voucher and the shortcut key is function key F4. Just click on this one. What is credit here? Cash. What is the amount given? 5,800. Debit, bank 5,800. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. The next transaction is bought 50 shares in X and Y Company Limited at rupees 60 per share. Brokerage paid is rupees 20. This particular transaction has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Let's see this particular recording. Select for payment voucher. Right, and debit will be investment account. This has to be created. Alt C to create. Investment account alias blank and this will be allocated under the group investments. Later save. There are 50 shares are there and rate per share is 60. 50 into 60, this will be 3,000 rupees. Correct? Later we have to go for paying even the brokerage also. Then CR has come, that is credit, make it debit. Here we have to go for creating brokerage account. Alt C to create. Brokerage account alias blank and this will be allocated under the group, that will be indirect expenses. Later save. What's the amount here? 20 rupees. Correct. Then credit will be what? Cash. 3,020. Type the narration, later save. Press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, goods worth rupees 1,000 found defective and were returned to Malhotra and Company and the balance of the amount due to them settled by issuing a check in their favor. This particular transaction is recorded under the voucher, that is payment voucher. In the same transaction, we are going to return the goods worth rupees 1,000 back to supplier. Let's see this particular recording in Tally. Payment voucher, debit here Malhotra and company, right? Here the amount 11,000. Against the reference, this will track the purchase voucher. Credit will come again. Here we have to go for creating the account, that will be return outward account, right? I'll see to create. Returns outwards account. This will be allocated under the group, that will be the purchase accounts. Just type P, down arrow key, later save. What is the amount here? Return outwards amount, that will be 1,000. Then credit, it is paid in the form of check, for that sake bank 10,000, right? Later type the narration, then press Y from the keyboard. Next transaction, sold 20 shares of X and Y company at rupees 65 per share. Brokerage paid as 20. This particular recording has to be done under the receipt voucher, where we are selling 20 shares, right? In the same way, when we multiply this 20 into 65, this will be around 1300, correct? There is a profit of 5 rupees per share. Then 5 into 20, this will be 100 rupees. And this particular entry has to be done under the voucher, that will be journal voucher, because there is a profit of 100 rupees. In the same way, we are making the payment of brokerage of rupees 20 in the form of cash. Even this recording has to be done under the payment voucher. Let's see all these entries. Now receipt voucher, then credit will be investment account, right? That is 20 into 65, it will be 1300, correct? Debit will be cash 1300, right? Type the narration, later save this one. Next one, after selling the shares, we have a profit of 100 rupees. That is, each share 5 rupees, correct? In that case, 20 into 5, it will be 100 rupees, right? This particular entry has to be done in journal voucher, because we have to show the profit of rupees 5 per share. Journal debit will be investment account 100 rupees. Credit will be here, that is profit and loss account. This is a default ledger which is provided by the Tally 100. Later type the narration, then save by pressing Y from the keyboard. The next one. Next one is of payment has to be done for brokerage. Just go back to payment voucher. Then what will be debit? Brokerage of 20 rupees. It is in the form of cash. 20, type the narration, later save. Next transaction, bought goods worth rupees 2100 from Ramesh and supplied them to Suresh at rupees 3000. There are two entries are there. One has to be done under the purchase voucher. The other one has to be done under the sales voucher. Now select for purchase voucher. The shortcut key is function key F9. Then what is credit here? Credit will be Ramesh account which has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank, and this has to be allocated under the group sundry creditors. If we are not interested in filling other details, Control A, save and quit back. What is the amount given here? 2100. New reference, this will come only for purchase and sales voucher. Debit will be purchase account. Just type P. Type the narration, later save. In the same way, the next recording has to be done under the sales voucher. Invoice mode has come. This has to be converted back to voucher mode by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl V or bottom right hand side as voucher. Just click on this one. Debit will be what here? Suresh account which has to be created. Alt C to create. Suresh account alias blank. Then this has to be allocated under the group that will be sundry debtors. Then Control A, save and quit back. What's the amount given here? 3000. New reference, voucher number 2. Credit will be sales account 3000. Type the narration, later save. Next transaction, Suresh returned goods worth rupees 100 which in turn were sent to Ramesh. It's a sales returns and later we have the purchase returns. Correct? Okay, let's see this particular entries in Tally. These entries has to be passed in credit note and debit note, but right now it is not activated. We have to do the activation. For activation, we have to press here the function key F11 or bottom right hand side. Here we have company features or tally features. Okay, just press the key. And here we have to go back to accounting features. In this, we have to go back to invoicing. Use debit credit notes. No is there. Make it S. Then save. Right now it is activated. First it is sales returns. Correct? For that sake, we have to go back to credit note and the shortcut key is Control F8. Just click on this one. Then what is credit here? Credit will be Suresh account. What's the amount given? 100. Against the reference, this will track the sales voucher. Debit is what? Here we have to go for creating return inward account. To create this one, press Alt C. Return inwards account, right? Alias will be blank and this will be allocated under the group that will be sales account. Later save. 100. Type the narration. reason, then save. Next one, it has to be passed under the debit note, correct? Debit note, the shortcut key is Control F9. Click on this one. It's a purchase returns. Debit is what? Ramesh account. What's the amount? 100. Against the reference, this will track the purchase voucher. Credit will be return outwards account. It is already created. Just type R, down arrow key, 100 rupees. Type the narration, later save. Next transaction, issued a check for rupees 1000 in favor of landlord for rent for April. This has to be recorded under the payment voucher. Let's see this particular entry. Go for payment voucher. Then debit will be what? Rent account has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias blank, and this has to be allocated under the group indirect expenses. See, what's the amount given here? 1000. Credit, the payment is done in the form of check. For that sake, bank will come. Type the narration, later save. Now the last transaction, paid salaries to staff rupees 1500. This particular entry has to be done under the voucher, that will be the payment voucher, and later received from traveling salesman rupees 2000 for the goods sold by him. Later traveling expenses 100 rupees has to be paid. This entry will be done in the receipt voucher. Let's see this particular entry. Payment voucher. Debit will be the salary account which has to be created. I'll see to create. Alias will be blank, and this will be allocated under the group indirect expenses. Later save. What's the amount given here? 1500. Credit, cash. Type the narration, later save. The next one has to be passed under the voucher, that will be the receipt voucher. Click on this one. Then what will be credit here? Here credit will be the sales account. What's the amount here? 2000. Debit will come, debit cash. We are going to receive 1900. Correct? Debit, here again we have to go for creating traveling expenses account. Correct? I'll see to create. Alias will be blank. This will be allocated under the group, that will be indirect expenses. Then save. 100 rupees. Type the narration. Later save. We have completed with the case study. In the same way, all the recordings, all the transaction recording will be available onto Daybook. Let's see the Daybook. To come out, just press here escape. Gateway of Tally, reports, then display. In display Daybook, we can see all the recordings. Okay. In the same way, right now we will see how to write down the particular case study in case of theory examination. While writing in case of theory examination, two tables have to be created. One for the masters, the other one for the transactions. In the first table, it consists of two different columns. The first column, ledger name, and the second one will be group to be allocated. After checking the first transaction, just check which are the account heads or the ledger names have to be created. Write down the ledger name or ledger account name, then under which particular group it has to be allocated. For example, capital account, bank account, machinery account and furniture account, fixed asset, sales account, telephone rent account, indirect expenses. This way the particular table, the first table has to be created. Later, coming to the second table, in case of second table, here we have to create around 5 columns. The first column, serial number, the second one, voucher type, the third one, credit/debit, account name, the fourth one, and the last one will be the amount. Check the first transaction, then check the voucher type, receipt voucher, debit, cash 50,000, credit, capital account 50,000. Second transaction, contra, credit cash 20,000, debit bank account 20,000. Okay, this way it has to be written in case of the theory examination. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.